Inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism where a new class, subclass or derived class can inherit properties and behaviors from an existing class, superclass or base class. It promotes code reusability and establishes a relationship between classes. Let's see an example. Here we have created a class with the name animal, and it consists of method eat. Next we have created another class with the name dog. This extends class animal, and in this we have created a method with the name bark. Now we have created a class with the name test, in which we are creating an object of class dog. And we are calling method eat and method bark with the help of dog's class object. For better understanding, please check the example carefully by analyzing the inheritance definition. See you again. Thank you.